Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today I will talk about the most important topic which can bring peace, humanity, unity, and ummah. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Al-Muslim akhul Muslim, la yazlimu, wa la yakhludu, wa la yakzibu, wa la yarham." The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Muslim is the brother of a Muslim, like we are in one body. If the one part of our body is in pain, the whole body will be in pain. Like if your brother in difficult situation, you can't see him in this situation." The first word he said, then he said, "La wala yadhim." He will never oppress him. A Muslim will never oppress a Muslim brother, be it financially, emotionally, physically, at any form of oppression. He will never do with a Muslim brother, because he is your brother. If you think it, if you understand it, if you acknowledge it by self. And next he said, "Wala yakhdulu." He will never abandon on him, like he will never leave him in difficult situation. Look right, left, your Muslim brothers, someone's in depression, someone's are in silence and alone. So you don't need to left them in a situation. Ask them what's their problem and which situation they are and how you can help them. As a financially, as a physically, or as a mentally, you can be with your good friend, your Muslim brothers, your Muslim sisters. You can treat them, you can teach them about Islam, you can bring them closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and you can make strong their belief on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You can remove their disappointment. And the next he said, "Wala yarhiku." Looking down your Muslim brother, this is not the character of the Muslim. Mocking or judging your brother, Muslim brother, this is also the against the character of a Muslim. Islam teaches us to stand up with each other, not look it down. Even Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "It is enough evil for a person who respects his Muslim brother." So each time try to judge yourself, how I'm doing, how I can do best. Not even look other, how they are doing, the judge other. It's all about against to the of a Muslim character. So try to be a good Muslim and take care of your all Muslim brothers. Thank you very much.